Hi there, this is David Yassa. I am the growth coach of Greater Portland. During our last video, we spoke about how to make time, because in order to focus on business development, marketing, and selling, you need to have time to focus on those things. And if your to-do list includes things that you shouldn't be doing, or you hate doing, or you don't know how to do, you're going to be wasting a lot of time on these things. And when it comes to things you shouldn't be doing, we spoke about this. We said you need either to do them now, to delete, delay, or delegate them. And also when it comes to things that you don't know how to do or you hate doing, you also need to delegate them to somebody else. And that somebody else can either be somebody in your company or somebody outside of your company. When it comes to somebody in your company, try to find somebody that can do things for you, and they are one of your employees. Like you want to create some graphic design, and you have a graphic designer in your company, or you have an assistant that can do graphic design. Delegate those things to them. When it comes to people outside of your company, that's why we have something called 1099 or subcontractors. And one of the people that you can delegate to is your virtual assistant. Now, a lot of people ask me about virtual assistants and what should we be delegating to them. And before answering the question where we say what the virtual assistant can do for you, we need to first answer the question, why do we hire virtual assistants? We hire virtual assistants for three main reasons. First one is, if you already have employees, well, this is a better use of your employees' time, because you can hire virtual assistants to do the stuff that you don't want your employees to be doing. That's one. Second thing is to save the salary costs. You don't want to have one extra employee. So you hire a virtual assistant. They are at 1099. You delegate to them projects, or you delegate to them tasks. The third one is to save training time. Usually virtual assistants know what they're doing. So if you get back to that two things that we were talking about, which is the things that you don't like doing or the things that you don't know how to do, those are the things that you delegate to a virtual assistant, because they like doing these things and they know how to do these things. Now, if you want to know about these things, like and subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, tell me that you want to know about things that we can delegate to a virtual assistant, and you will get a video about that. Thank you so much. Do not forget to follow my page. Again, this is David Yassa, the growth coach of Greater Portland. See you soon.